Hi, baby. Are you awake? Wake up. Hello. Hi, Angel. Are you waking up? Look at my happy baby right when she wakes up. Oh, do you laugh? Oh, can you laugh for Mama? Can you laugh for Mama? Hi. Uh-oh. 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 Say hi. Look at you, happy girl. Look at my happy girl. I love how you wake up. I love how you wake up. Oh, hi, big girl. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? I took a kiss. I took a kiss. Hi. Are you tooting? Are you tooting? Are you pooping? Are you pooping? Yes, you are. Are you ready for your baba? Are you ready for a baba? Are you licking your lips because you're hungry? Are you hungry? Say hi, Olivia. Hi. Say today I am 2 months and 3 days old and I am laughing. Hi. Hi, Angel. Look how big I am. Say, look how big I am. Say, I weigh 12 pounds and 12 ounces. And I am 24 and a quarter inches long right now. But you're probably even longer because that was 3 days ago, huh? You're probably bigger already. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. I love you. I love you. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? I took a kiss. I took a kiss. You ready to eat? Ah. Oh, how cute are you? Oh, how cute are you? How cute are you? How cute are you? Hi. 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 Oh. What that face for? What that face for? Hi. I love you. Say bye. Say bye. I love you. Bye.